consumers need to take responsibility and protect themselves from identity theft. That's why Experian monitors the dark web globally and alerts you to suspicious activity so you can act before it's Go to Experian.com/protect. Your personal information is on the dark web with a free one-time dark web scan.
Cars, you're being too rough.
Needs protection from the dark web.
Mommy, I read from Jagger from Daddy.